is the CBS Overnight News.
This is a coordinated monthly test of all broadcast stations in Kansas and the Kansas City metropolitan area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is now being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as severe weather watches or warnings, or other local area emergencies, official messages and information would have followed the alert tones. This station serves the state of Kansas and or the Kansas City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Is part of the Northeast's first heat wave of the year. And, you know, it doesn't end here. Much of the rest of the country
was Walt's baby. And as a matter of fact, here's some cool history. The very first jungle cruise skipper in 1955 when the park opened, unbeknownst to a lot of fans who went that day, was Walt Disney himself.
No way. That's wild. And this is a monthly test of the emergency alert system for the Kern County area. The system is used for warning and essential safety information during emergencies. This is only a test. Had this been an actual alert, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This test is originating from the Kern County Office of Emergency Services Warning Center in Bakersfield, California. This concludes this monthly test for the Kern County Area Emergency Alert System.
To say in the island. So, and I can't wait for everybody to see her in this movie because she truly is the female version of, and this is saying a lot, but she truly is the female version of Indiana Jones. I'm very proud of her and how much she kicks ass in this movie.
I want to show everyone a clip. Here's Dwayne Johnson and Emily Blunt in Jungle Cruise. Take a look at this.
Come on, I got you, Pants. Trust me.
Washington correspondent Hallie Jackson joins us now with more. Hey, Hallie. Good.
This is a test of the Central and East Central Wisconsin Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. The test is now concluded.
Picture, or should I be working out more? So I think I asked
local with Informed Choice Insurance Agency.
All right, they're dancing away. Here are the first three answers. Mental. You got it if you want it.
DailyMail.com, the world's most read newspaper website, brings you Daily Mail TV.
Hi, everybody, and welcome to the show. We are very pleased you can be with us today. Now, we want to give you our most inspiring weight loss stories to get you motivated.
A civil authority has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas. Minnesota at 1:52 p.m. on September 1st, 2021, effective until 2:52 p.m. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
Who supposedly was into her 363-pound body.
He liked big girls, and I wanted to stay a big girl.
But everything changed when the guy, who Samantha admits never even introduced her to his family and friends, ghosted her and posted a new romantic interest online.
All of a sudden, I saw another girl, a skinny girl, on social media, and I was like, oh,